Hello, I'm in a 2014 Nissan Versa Note, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you'll start the vehicle. Wait just a few moments. Once you've waited for just a few moments, we'll use the voice controls to connect a phone. So basically in a moment we'll just listen through all the prompts it says. In the meantime though, make sure on your device that you're connecting with there's a blue Bluetooth symbol that's highlighted. That means your Bluetooth is activated on your phone. Every device is a little different, but if you hold it, typically that'll open your Bluetooth settings. So from here, we'll start the commands.
There are no phones connected to the vehicle.
If you don't hear it,
to use this system,
turn the volume up.
A compatible Bluetooth phone must be connected. Please refer to your phone's user manual before trying to connect your phone. Would you like to connect a phone now? After the beep, say add phone or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for
scan.
a Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by the handset, enter the PIN 1, 2, 3, 4. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual.
So it'll prompt us for that code it said, 1, 2, 3, 4. For some reason you don't hear one if it requires one. Sometimes some cars let you pick one. Otherwise try 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's usually the defaults. Otherwise it sometimes does as randomly generated
Phone
every time.
Connected. Please say a name for the phone.
Clay.
Quit.
Oh, I thought my name was Quit. Well, I guess I'll have to try this again. But basically after that step we're done. And then as you can see, sometimes it takes 2 or 3 tries. You have to restart your phone, restart the vehicle.
There are no phones connected to the vehicle. To use this system, a compatible Bluetooth phone must be connected. Please refer to your phone's user manual before trying to connect your phone. Would you like to connect a phone now? After the beep, say add phone or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone.
So it's just my car still.
Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by the handset, enter the PIN 1, 2, 3, 4. For further phone connected. Please say a name for the phone.
Clay's phone.
Clay's phone.
Is this correct? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Clay's phone.
Saved.
All right. Well, that's it. So now our phone's connected, and you know, most people use it for like taking phone calls, things like that. I don't believe this model lets you, but more advanced, you can play music and run maps and things like that through this. But at the very least, you can take phone calls and whatnot. So that's a help. And then yeah, if the music is not working, you can always connect through a USB cable or an aux port. And if you're having other, technical difficulties, usually the cheaper option than actually repairing these things is to get a new aftermarket device installed, which in those you'd have all the options. But I hope that was helpful. Hope you have a great day.